you keep hearing of waves of a revival of Yiddish through the years. And I think it's definitely, may not be popular, but it's, I'm happy to say it's not dead. I really hope, and I like to think that this is, the national and global, in some instances, publicity that the show has gotten is helping to bring it back. In this case, our show's striking a real political chord because, after all, we're immigrants and we end up through brutality having to leave our own country, which is what happened to my own grandparents. So there's a very deep connection there. So we're relaying that message to people. In an era of incredibly heightened anti-Semitism, we're relaying like, hey bro, Jews ain't bad, we cool. So there's that. And that's another reason why it gives me such nachas to see the young people. There are like a lot of people are in their 20s in our cast, and to see them speaking this language, and they'll never, it's drilled into their heads, no matter how many shows they do, they're never gonna forget it. Yiddish has always been in me. I got the Yiddish in me. There's more words in me, which I'm thrilled about. And, every show I do is just like this treasured thing that, it's always, there's this part of me, there's the Xanadu part, there's the Hairspray part, there's, I've been so fortunate. And this is like just a delicious, big old nugget that's strikes an incredibly meaningful and deep chord, because it's my family, it's my people, it's who we are, it's what I came from.